Welcome! In this video, we'll add assignments and take a closer look at how grade calculations update automatically across your semester planner. Start by opening the assignment tracker and creating a new entry. Give it a title. Select the course it belongs to. Pick its due date. Select the assignment category. Then fill in weight percentage. Choose its current status. And, when available, the grade you received. Once an assignment is linked to a course, the system takes care of everything else. Behind the scenes, this tool calculates its weighted contribution, updates your current course score, adjusts your grade progress and reliability, and contributes correctly to your quality points and GPA. No extra steps, no recalculating, no guessing. You'll also notice an important data validation column. This acts as a safety net. It alerts you if assignment weights don't make sense, or if a grade entry is outside valid ranges. This prevents silent errors that could otherwise distort your GPA. To help you stay organized, you'll find several powerful views. Inside the assignment tracker, you can sort assignments by completion status, or switch to a calendar view to visualize deadlines. And in the semester planner dashboard, the Due This Week view highlights upcoming tasks so you can plan ahead, avoid surprises, and stay in control of your workload. As you add assignments, your grades update in real time, becoming more accurate and reliable as the semester progresses, while you stay focused on what actually matters: completing your work. Now it's your turn. Fill in your semester planner and start using the system as intended. In the next video, we'll take a quick tour of the GPA tracker and overall GPA, so you can see the full picture come together.